friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious Chinese yam fried eggs recipe. Hope you like it. Yam contains mucus, which has a lubricating and moisturizing effect, so it can benefit the lung qi, nourish the lung yin, and treat lung deficiency, phlegm, cough and long-term cough. The mucus protein contained in yam has the effect of lowering blood sugar, which can be used to treat diabetes and is a good food therapy for diabetics. Chinese yam, also known as huaishan, is rich in nutrients and is known as a poor man's tonic. It is regarded as a medicinal plant that can cure diseases and strengthen the body. After being dried and used as medicine, the yam becomes the white huaishan you see in supermarkets or herbal medicine stores. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Chinese yam fried eggs. Chinese yak peel skin. Remember to wear gloves when peeling Chinese yam, your hands often feel itchy. This is because Chinese yam contains saponins. When the Chinese yam is peeled, a kind of mucus will be produced. The protein and diosgenin in it will irritate the skin and cause allergies, resulting in itchy hands. Diced Chinese yam. Chopped ginger. Whisk egg until frothy. Fried egg and set aside. Stir-fry chopped garlic. Add Chinese yam and stir-fry. Add fried eggs. One teaspoon chicken powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Stir fry for another minute. Fried eggs. Crunch Chinese yam with fried egg fragrant. It tastes great. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Today I will share with you some tips to eliminate the itchy hands caused by peeling yam. 1. Wash with vinegar. 2. Wash hands with white wine and soap. 3. Wear gloves on your hands. 4. Rub with ginger. The crispy Chinese yam is more suitable for stir-frying. Its characteristics are: the skin of the Chinese yam is relatively smooth, there are fewer raised spots, and the color is relatively light. Soft and sticky Chinese yam is more suitable for making soup or desserts. Its characteristics are: the skin of Chinese yam has many fine pitting spots, many slender roots, and darker color. When buying Chinese yam, break off a section with your hands and look at the cross-section. If it is milky white and has a sticky liquid that can be pulled into a string, it means that the Chinese yam is relatively fresh. If the cross-section is yellowish and the juice is clear, it means that it has been stored for a long time. Pick up the broken part and smell it. If there is a very fresh raw smell, it means it is fresh. If there is no smell, or it smells sour or strange, it means it is not fresh. If there is a pungent smell, it may have been fumigated with sulfur, so it is best not to buy it. Chinese yam should not be eaten with carp and consui, as they are incompatible. Yam and consui should not be eaten together, nor should they be taken with alkaline drugs. Chinese yam and pork liver. Chinese yam has the effects of strengthening the spleen and stomach, benefiting the lungs and relieving cough, strengthening the kidneys and improving the essence, and lowering blood sugar. However, Chinese yam can easily cause skin allergies and itching, so it is recommended to wear gloves when peeling it to prevent it. Chinese yam should not be eaten raw, as it can easily cause food poisoning. In addition, patients with diabetes and constipation should not eat it in excess, as it can aggravate their symptoms.